Let's check in. Oh, Tippins. Oh, Tippins spilled the beans, look. Oh, Tippy, you got drunk and puked all over the place. Look at yourself. Get you back together, Tippy. I'm in this little combo box. And the thermostat was originally buried way back up in there in the corner. So I had to move the onion rings out of the way. I gotta watch over this light. I think I might even just unscrew it and get it out of the way. Another tip of the day, always keep a jacket in your truck for working on freezers. Let's see. Oh, shit. I gotta get over to there. Let me put this. I got it relocated down to here. I didn't film a ton because I was like a monkey humping a football up there. So, I got another walking box down. Let's get over to it. All right, this one was called it trips the breakers intermittently. And the most obvious, this was coming off the run cap, going into the contactor just like that. You can see where it was in there. Look at the contacts. It's a 2-pole. Single phase unit with a 3-pole contactor. I replaced the contactor, made a new wire, and the coil's totally shot out here. I got some water through it, but it's done from the ocean. Let's see how we make out. All right, are you ready for it? I know Halloween's coming. Capsule pack freezer hell. Ah, there it is. Ugh, garbage. It's the seals on those things just go to shit. Oh, this one might have to get the Torturama on. I think it'll knock you out and kill you. Oh, battery. Some good hacking and mowing going on right here. Holy moly. Oh, man. Trying to keep the water mess. Down to a minimum. That was some serious hacking and mowing right there. Woo! Ooh, yeah, now he's got to clean up a bit. Hack and mow, hack and mow. Right, here's a real common one for Manitowocks. You come up, the machine's on, no lights, nothing's going. I come over, I switch it to wash. Do the wash cycle, that's fine. You want to clear out a wash, you go on, off 3 times. Nothing's happening, right? No lights, nothing's happening. Check your bin, look what's missing. Our magnet is missing off our water curtain. Very, very common issue on these older Manitowocks. Sometimes you can find it laying in the bin. Yep, I think it's right down there. I think I see it down there in the corner. I think it's right back there. See if we can fish it out. You just get your screwdriver down there and touch it, because it is a magnet. There it is. The old magnet. Little food grade silicone in there. Glue her back in because this old beater machine. And we should be good to go. Let's go check it. We'll let it dry. We'll let it dry in the sun for a bit. And we'll check her out. Now we got the magnet in. We can see our curtain light. Open. Close. And we're gonna go into our freeze mode. And we're gonna dump out and start making ice again. Very common issue on the Manitowocks, the older Manitowocks. And my best advice on a road trip, never trust a fart.
Never.
Ever.